Hi Year 10, this is Mr. Tapley to walk you through your next lesson of Year 10 Geography in Week 7 of Term 2. This lesson, we're looking to develop our understanding of pollution and the environmental impact of human activities through analysis of a case study, looking at air pollution in the city of Linfen, China. So in the previous double period, we looked at pollution in general, so land, air, and water pollution, their causes, their consequences. This lesson, we are applying that knowledge to a specific example, a specific city, case study of Linfen. Our success criteria is to identify the causes and effects of air pollution in Linfen, China, and connect the events in the video to global pollution concerns. And that's probably something that I should stress before we go on. This is a global issue, pollution, climate change, so don't feel like, oh, it's just this one city. You shouldn't be attacking the city of Linfen or the country of China. This is a global issue. I should also point out the video is from 2012, so some things may have changed for the better or for the worse. Just keep that in mind when you're watching the video. Also, this is a double period again, so the pollution case study Linfen, that lesson, the lesson activities, these videos that we're talking about, they can be completed across a double period, across 2 lessons. So if you don't complete these today, don't stress, you've got the next period of Year 10 Geography to fix it all up. If you have any questions or concerns about that, please let me know. I'll make sure it's really clear in the lesson plan instructions on Compass. And yeah, so this lesson, you'll be examining the effects of pollution in the city of Linfen. Using your prior knowledge, you will need to identify the causes and consequences of pollution. In the previous lesson, you developed your understanding of the different forms of pollution, so we saw land, air, and water pollution. This lesson, you have the opportunity to see how the information in your textbook translates to the real world, and I think that's really important to do in all subjects, especially in geography. It's not enough to just read about something. You understand it better, you care about it more if you can see it happening in your actual lives, if you can see it out the window, like, oh look, pollution. So that's the connection we're trying to draw there, that this pollution stuff is not just happening in the video, it's happening all around us. So as you watch the video, consider how your life would be different living in this city. So what challenges would you experience living in Linfen? What would your day-to-day experiences be like living in Linfen, going to school, working, seeing friends and family, going outside, etc.? Would this impact your human well-being? Consider those things as you're watching the video. The links to the video are up here. So it's by Vice, so the same guys who did the DRC documentary, so hopefully it's a bit interesting. I found it interesting. It's not like a boring black and white documentary. So it's in 2 parts there. Each part's about 10-15 minutes long. All up, I think it's 30 minutes. The 2 videos smushed together. Let's see. 13. Yep. So you just need to click on those links there, and again you can watch those videos in the first half of the double and then come back to the questions. You can complete the questions as you are watching the videos, so maybe you watch part 1 today and part 2 in our next lesson. It's up to you. You're learning. So after viewing the videos, or while you're viewing the videos, complete the following questions in your digital notebook. Question 1. What are the major causes of air pollution in Linfen, China? Can you identify other forms of pollution in the region? Examples of land and water pollution. So the focus in this documentary is the air pollution, but they do discuss and they do show the impacts of pollution to the land and water. So you're looking for examples there, and you're looking for the major causes of air pollution specific to Linfen, because there's a lot of things that causes air pollution, obviously, but Linfen, that city, that region, is known for a specific thing, specific trade, specific economic activity that causes pollution. Anyway, you'll see it in the videos. Question 2. What are the major consequences of pollution in Linfen, China? Specific examples, please. Question 3. How would the effects of pollution in Linfen impact the human well-being of the people living in this region? So consider what you know about human well-being from term 1. How do you think these things here, so the causes and the consequences of pollution, how is that going to impact their well-being, their ability to access clean water, food, shelter, education, healthcare, etc.? Do you believe the health of the environment and the people in Linfen has improved since this video was released in 2012, and why? So it's a yes or no, and then you tell me why there. No wrong answers. If you want, you can do a bit of research and see if it has improved, but it's entirely up to you. And then question 4, losing my voice, or hitting puberty. Question 4, why do you believe the world continues to rely on coal energy? That should help you with question 1 there, the causes of pollution in Linfen. It's a big mining town. So why do you believe the world continues to rely on coal energy, and how do you think this could be changed in the future? So hopefully some of the information you've read in previous lessons, hopefully information from 2040, from before the flood, those other videos we've watched, can help you with this question. I'm not looking for an essay, I'm just looking for a couple of sentences talking about, why do we use fossil fuels, why do we use unclean energy, and is there an alternative? Is there another solution to solving this problem? So 1, 2, 3, 4 questions across the double period. Hopefully it's not too much, or if it is too much of a workload, please let me know so I can change future lessons. The links to the videos are in there, otherwise you can just go Linfen, Vice, documentary, something like that. And yeah, if you have any questions or concerns, guys, please let me know. And yeah, best of luck. Cheers.